If you're new to running a business online, understanding Google Business Profile is one of the first steps to getting noticed by customers in your area. Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is a free tool that allows businesses to manage their online presence across Google Search and Google Maps. In this video, we'll explain the basics of Google Business Profile and show you how beginners can use it to attract customers, build credibility, and grow their business. First, let's talk about what Google Business Profile actually does. When someone searches for a business, service, or product near them, Google displays a profile with key information about local businesses, including their address, phone number, website, hours, and reviews. Having an updated and complete profile ensures your business appears in these local searches, making it easier for potential customers to find and contact you. For beginners, the first step is to claim and verify your business. You'll need to provide your business name, address, and category. Then Google will send a verification code via mail, phone, or email. Once verified, you have full control over your profile and can start adding important details to attract customers. Next, it's crucial to complete your profile with accurate information. Include your business hours, contact information, website link, and a clear description of your products or services. High-quality photos and videos of your storefront, team, or products make your profile more engaging and help customers feel confident choosing your business. Another beginner tip is to use posts and updates. Google Business Profile allows you to share news, promotions, events, or special offers directly on your profile. Regular updates show that your business is active and helps attract more customers who are looking for timely information. Reviews are also essential for beginners to focus on. Encourage customers to leave reviews and respond to them professionally. Positive reviews build trust, while addressing negative feedback shows that you care about your customers' experience and are committed to improving your services. Finally, beginners should take advantage of insights and analytics. Google provides data on how customers find your profile, what actions they take, and how they engage with your business. These insights help you understand your audience and make better decisions to improve your online presence. By following these steps, beginners can set up a strong Google Business Profile that increases visibility, builds credibility, and drives more customers to their business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Start using Google Business Profile today and take the first step toward growing your business online.